in my room. She fill my mind up with ideas. I'm the highest in the room.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Y'all already know who it is. It's me. It's Tiani Variety. Y'all already know. Before I get into the whole like, comment, subscribe thing, it's time for a public service announcement. I am doing a giveaway. Right? It's giveaway time. Follow my Instagram. Make sure you guys follow my Instagram so you can get the details of the giveaway. I am announcing the giveaway at the end of this month, so April 30th, and I will announce a winner the first week of May. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my YouTube channel, but most importantly, make sure you guys are following my Instagram. Make sure you are following my Instagram. Once you follow my Instagram, you will know the rules of the giveaway and how to qualify, apply, whatever you want to call it. You'll figure out the rules of the giveaway once you follow me on Instagram. Now we can get straight into the video. So this video is a unboxing video. I can't even like show y'all the info. It's an unboxing video. I will be unboxing my Nike Dunks. My Syracuse Nike Dunk. Before we get into this video, I need you guys to like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, and get in tune. And that's on per. Get in tune. So yes, I'm going to be unboxing my Syracuse Nike High Dunks 2021. Not only will I be unboxing, giving y'all the details, putting y'all on about this shoe, I'm gonna be styling this shoe at the end of the video, so make sure y'all stay tuned. But aren't these fire? These are fire. So first things first, I'm gonna show y'all the box. Boom. Box, good condition. Boom, good condition. Boom. Alright, so boom, as you can see, the fact that I was still smiling is sick. I got mines from GOAT. I got my sneakers from GOAT, and this was in the box, and also this came in the box. This is just the verification that they give you to let you know that the shoe is legit or whatever. Because you know that, like, technically sometimes you'll be paying a verification fee. So, like, they charge you to make sure that the shoe is legit, which don't make sense to me because it's like, y'all should have legit sneakers on y'all site. So, like, I don't understand. But, okay, I don't get it. But whatever. But this is just a ticket to say that the shoe is verified. So as you can see, GOAT verified. Okay, it's legit over here, baby. It's legit. So those two things came in the box. So this is a US 7. This is a US 7, 5.5 in men's. The US women's 7, as you can see. It's a US women's 7. These definitely dropped on the sneakers app on March 10th for only $110 in the women's. This is definitely a women's shoe. They definitely have this in men's sizes too, but this is a women's shoe. Let me tell you about the sneakers app, right? People be telling me download the sneakers app, download the sneakers app. The sneakers app is rigged, y'all. It's rigged. Don't trust it. Don't download it. If you legit always get a pair, I know you hacking them. I know you hacking them. Because there's no way. Like, every time I download the app and try to get a pair of sneakers, it never works for me. So I'm like, okay, if it's a sneaker that I really, really like, I'll pay the resale price, because I just never win. So I'm not even gonna try. I'm not even gonna keep trying. I'm not downloading the sneakers app on my phone ever again. Alright, so let me tell y'all about the shipping, because the shipping, beautiful. I ordered these sneakers March 11th. I got these sneakers March 17th. Like, I wasn't even feeling for my sneakers to come on time, because I'm not wearing them until it's nice weather, the sun is out, you know. But they came fast. They came fast, literally fast. I was getting notifications on Go. I'm gonna show y'all. I was getting notifications every time there was a process that was completed through the delivery process. So each time a step was completed, I was getting an email, or I was getting a text from Go saying that each step was being completed. Y'all not telling me that these shoes is not fire. These is choked up though. But I loosened these a little bit, because like this is choker. This is I'm chill. But like these are so, oh my god. Oh, by the way, orange is dead my favorite color, so I definitely had to get these, honestly. I even got the shadow backboards, because I was like, orange is my favorite color, so I'm getting those. And these is too fire. Like, you're not telling me these is not fire. All right, so boom. Now when these dropped on the 10th, whoever got them, right? However, I don't think a lot of people was too pressed about these, so like they wasn't really feeling to get these or whatever. So literally the next day I went on Goat and was like, alright, I already know I'm not getting them on the sneakers app, so I went on Goat the next day, right? And I was like, you know what, let me see how much they going for on Goat. Now honestly, I like Goat better than StockX. I don't know why, but I only ordered one pair of shoes off of StockX, but most of my sneakers are from Goat. Like, if I know I'm not getting them when they first drop, I go on Go. I don't know the logistics of it, like if I'm like more loyal to Go, or like I trust Go more than StockX. But I noticed that the prices are different. Like depending on the shoes, sometimes on StockX it might be a couple of dollars off rather than you getting them from Go. I don't know which one is more popular, to be honest, but I know that I just particularly order from Go. I don't know why. I can't even explain to you. And I never even had a bad experience, because my only pair of sneakers that I got from StockX, I don't have a bad experience with it. It's just, I don't know. I just like Go. I don't know. Y'all know when these dropped on the 10th, these was going for $110, right? I'm not even gonna lie. I wasn't even gonna touch $300 for these. I wasn't even gonna get nowhere near $300, not even close to $300 when it came to these. The most I was gonna pay is like $230, $240. That's it. I paid only $203 for these. $203. So I did pay a little bit extra, you know, than the retail price, but I only paid $203 for these. That's not bad. Not bad at all. And honestly, I wasn't even mad. And if you're not a fan of orange, you're not telling me that these is not fire, because these is dead fire. Yeah. Alright, so y'all know how like sometimes the shoes come with like a stuffer. So these didn't really come with a stuffer. It just came with freaking paper. So like it was paper stuffed inside them. I'm like, y'all could have gave me a stuffer. Y'all already know how sneakers be creasing at the top. Could have gave me a stuffer. So like I told y'all before, make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so that I could get the information for the giveaway. And that is the end of this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and make sure your post notifications is on. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really want to thank all my supporters. I want to thank all the people who has subscribed, will subscribe in the future, is watching this video but didn't just subscribe. I don't care, you're here and I appreciate you. And I made it to 500 subscribers, y'all. So we here, we rocking, we're not going anywhere, okay? Great content coming soon. Just make sure you subscribe and you like it, all that good stuff, you feel me? If you like more of these unboxings and getting put on to the put on, make sure you drop a comment so I can let you know what else is trending, what other sneakers is popping, because I'm literally only getting sneakers that's lit, in my opinion. And we all got out. We are officially out. Peace.